See, you can make that 10 or 11 inch step there, getting on the boat last. I think it's gonna work out. Welcome back, guys. We are, thank you for liking the channel and subscribing and sharing, and we appreciate all the love, guys. We are making a set of steps for a guy for his boat. You can buy them. I think they're $500 or something. Price of metal today. I don't know what he's going to end up here with these, but we're trying to get him going. If this one works out good, we're going to end up making another set for his fishing buddy. But anyway, guy right down the road here, real good customer. He brings his Jeep and his truck, and his son comes. It's kind of a family deal. You know, the whole family comes here and trusts us with their work, and it's been mechanic work. Now it's going to be a little fab work. But anyway, guys, this is where we're at so far. We've got them set on a 45. All these are level with this being on a 45. And the ones you buy are usually like 6 inches. We made these 8, just a little bit wider. And we're going to end up putting a piece of 2-inch square tube here with a little handle we're going to make. Give you extra support to get up on there and the extra comfort. But anyway, guys, we're going to go back here and burn a little bit and get these other plates drilled out all the way and try to get it fitted up. And we'll get back with you here in just a little bit, guys. Y'all stay tuned.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like a
Kind of built a little jig here, guys. We may have another one to build. We need to be on a 45. 45 angles of the tube, what we want with the tube there. And that's kind of how we get there, guys. You know, we've got all this welded. I haven't really seen but one up close, and I didn't really do some checking. But we've run one pass around all this, if you can see it, guys. And then we also ran under here too. So it's going to be pretty, like, kind of not really rust proof, but there's not going to be a way to get back in there. It's all kind of sealed up, as you would say. Once it's painted and stuff, there's no way any type of corrosion can get into tight areas and unwelded. I kind of call it unwelded areas. We welded all the way around everything. Now we're ready for it flange. So then, guys, they do them different ways. The way we're doing it here at Neighbor's Garage, we're going to be sandwiching that that frame, the main frame of the tongue of the trailer, and we're going to weld this one plate on here. I don't know if it's going to land exactly there or not. That's kind of where I had it at, but we may end up actually moving it up higher to get it like maybe more in the center. That was my first calculation. And then we're going to use 4 long bolts and nuts, and that'll sandwich the frame and hold all that contraption together there. And this is the first one we've done raw out of bare material. The first guy that we've had mention this to us, and after we make this one, we may end up having to make several of them. So that may be something available. If y'all see it, y'all like it, y'all may do a bunch of bass, crappie fishing, things like that. Y'all may just want to run around the lake. And this is a real good, easy way to get right in your boat quickly and easily. And then, like I was saying earlier, we're going to end up putting a piece of square tubing up here. I'm probably going to bend this rebar so the square tube will be sitting here, and then we're going to make them like a little handle. We'll bend the ends over and have him a handle on there too, and he'll have a good way to support himself while he's getting in the boat. Make it quicker to get in the boat and be a lot safer, you know, also. Let's take that plate. Actually, we can probably, let's get 4 bolts. And that was 4 by 3. So we'll need like 4.5 inch bolts. And we'll sandwich it on the frame, take it over and see what we need to do. And if we're ready, guys, we're going to start tacking up. And guys, we've got I had a fastenal rack, and we were buying some bolts from like Tractor Supply and some just wherever, you know, hardware store, things like that. And they were coming down here talking to me the other day. Well, it was actually last year. And they said, let us sell you another rack. and then they're going to load it down, and they told me the price, and we figured it up by the pound. We were paying by the pound. Now we're paying just kind of like a bag of 50 or a bag of 100, and it's a better deal for us to go that route. So we still have some grade 8 stuff in there. We got this whole rack's grade 5s, and what grade 5s will do, guys, is they like say you get to a shear point, they'll shear easier, but they may not shear and break. They may just kind of, you might see them shear over in half and still stay there. And the grade 8, when they go to shear, they'll just break plumb in two. So we've got a lot of grade 8. We've got this whole rack now all stocked with grade 5, and really good stuff. Like I said, if we need grade 8s and don't have them, we'll call them and get them. But that's the way that rack came. It's organized. They got labels all on them. And Tinsley, she's the rep that I talked with up there in Mount Sterling. She come in and set it all up, made sure all the inventory was right. And they had the one shelf hadn't come in yet, and we'd already ran through a lot of bolts, so she went ahead and brought some other ones. You know, and she had to fill them back up for us, but they come down when they need to and keep us stocked up. And then we've got our old rack, which is kind of out of date, looks similar, but we've got the old rack. We can put just different various things we need, electrical connectors, odd and end bolts, things like that. But that's a really good organized way to do it, guys.
You have to have longer bolts.
Longer than that one? Okay.
That hurt's probably all right with it.
Time to put a washer on it. And if we need to, we can turn it on. All right, hold that just a second, or we can put that in there. Just let it sit there. Why you had a bed liner on it? Well, you could if you're going to do the tread later.
Crazy.
Well, when we finalize it, you want to paint it? You want me to paint it? Or when we finalize it, we'll put washers on both sides and all that. On the side of the boat. I'm trying to think if we want them that way. We probably do want them that way, don't we? So when you come up, you don't hit the end of the screws or the bolts. And we can take, if they're a little long, we can cut the access off too. Let's get a washer. It might pull right there. Go get 8 washers.
Everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap.
Or Michael. Stand right here. No, right here. Don't trust your wheels. You better flip. Oh, right there. Let's take it off and say one more piece. Do it again. Get all the way out here on this edge. Both feet. Both feet. All the way out on the edge. Alright. Cut the wheel now. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. I'm done.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory, yeah. Don't want a life that is
don't have three. Oh yeah.
A lot more.
Oh yeah. And if we time it right. Check that, you don't like that. Oh, that's pretty. Step there. But if you did, get up here, just change the foot there. You can do this number, and you can just turn it through. That worked out right. If you come from there and just turn it through, you have this to just kind of lean on. That'll work. All right. How heavy are you? 85. Oh, well, I'm seeing moves down around me. Looks like doing this and very base we're going on. Get up there and put your feet right here on the edge. Stand right on top of their foot. Put both of them on top of it. Do this number. Put a little piece out right there. Weld it on there, screw them down, put them down. Let's put a little piece right here. We'll just cut that wide, we'll weld it right here. Smack it with a hammer, so the concrete down to it, cut it off, we'll weld it all the way up. Turn it on the top. As y'all can see, we try to use our respirators, we try to have our safety glasses on and use gloves when we're painting and welding things. So I've got these handy dandy painting gloves on. This respirator I've got filters the paint fumes and things because you don't want to breathe that kind of stuff.
I pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Before the can gets empty, guys, we throw it away. That way we ain't got to worry about all the impurities and things in there messing up the paint job. Hold it up. I don't hate to step on the bin.
Everybody be wanting one of them.
Oh, yeah.
Keep you busy next time.
Oh, yeah. Especially if you come in from this other side, that there may not be too bad either.
Oh, son. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot more big and it's a lot tighter than that. I know some Ronnie, my brother's tighter than that.
Yeah. Not quite as much room, is it? I think that there's real good. Yeah, and you may or may not even use that one. But if you have to, you'll have it
You
there.
got it tighter, right?
Well, if you're coming off this way, you're gonna want to handle it. Yeah, right there where she's at. I think that come out pretty good.